little thing. Look at this red thing. It's like got some kind of crank handle on this end. Wonder if it was like a, I don't know. Then it's got the...
It's not really open now. They don't have volunteers.
Cool sleigh. Look at those wheels. Wow. So cool. Oh, there's a winged demon.
McDonald's cup down.
Look at that chair, those chairs on the porch.
This is the welcome center.
Wow. Those are some cool old chairs.
This says Wolf Creek and Pine Run Grist Mill.
1831 to 1969. Wow.
Yay, wonderful date.
That was the year Bonnie was born.
It was. Wonderful year. I was born in 1969.
Hey, there's trails back there.
It says hiking trail.
Hiking trails. Woo. One of my favorite things. Mohican. Well, this is still part of Mohican State Park, huh? Sweet. Love Mohican State Park.
You can feed the geese or the ducks, I'm sure. It looks like this blue day.
Ooh, look at that.
Like this bridge. I like the little creek.
Isn't that pretty?
Beautiful view.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Yep.
Exploring with Naomi.
That's not my channel. Get it right, lady.
I'm exploring with Naomi.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
I know you're Naomi's adventure.
Did you say after all these times we've been exploring together, you forget who I am? That's rude. See, the thing is, she wants to forget who I am because she hates me. Ooh, I'm going to check out the hiking trail. Ooh, look at that. Huh. So, ooh, the wheel. Sweet. I was wondering where the wheel was, and there it is. But like, what is that thing that goes to the... Hi, here's the wheel. Now look at that view of the water. Well, the sun's kind of right in our eyes, but hopefully you can still see how pretty it is. Tell you, Mohican is a beautiful place. So what I don't understand is, where did that go? Did they cut down trees and the trees come along here and then the wheel spins them and drops them in the thing and it takes it down to the sawmill? Is that how it worked? I wonders. That would almost be what it looked like, right? Because why else would it be back in the woods? I don't know. Who knows? Does anybody know?
The water, yeah.
If anybody
I
knows,
don't know. Does
comment
anybody
and
know
let us
if
know.
this would bring the wood down to the sawmill, or would it bring water out of the side of the hill there?
Interesting.
And move this
Huh.
wheel, which